Hello team Prisca, welcome back to our channel. If you click this video because you want to enjoy the sounds of rain, then just be patient. In a few while I will let you enjoy this awesome sounds of rain. Let's just go down memory lane and bring back some memories growing up as kids. All we did have under the rain. So if it's your first time here, my name is Prisca and I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala, Cameroon. Yeah. So please check my other videos, and if what you see is what you like, then definitely that's what you're going to get during your stay in this channel. So just go ahead and subscribe to join this family. Wow. Making this video just took me down memory lane. I remember those awesome moments growing up as a kid. If you live in a country where the rains is a usual thing, like in Cameroon, we have two seasons. We have the dry seasons and the rainy seasons, the major ones. It's true, we also have harmattan, but yeah. So during the raining seasons, it was just so awesome. Like if you were under the rains, the feeling was different. It was special, especially if that rain met you at home. It was awesome. And if you live in houses, like if you're the top of your house, the roof of your house is covered by zinc sheets, the feeling is special, the sound is different. Then you realize that luxury is not living in mansion, but having that quiet, now nice sounds of rain hitting in your ears when you're just relaxed and doing nothing at home. It really felt so good. And as kids, we'll go out and play in groups under the rain, boys with your saucer or your football, and the feeling was just so uncomparable to any other thing. It couldn't be exchanged for anything. And when it rained at night, gosh, the sleep is different. But unfortunately, the night never lasts long. Well, it's true, the rain did not always just share all those beautiful memories. It was hard when you have to get up the next day, you have to go to work and you have to go to school or wherever, somewhere very important, and it's still raining. Crossing the bridges, if you were living in slums or in marshy areas, was just not anything anyone would want to revisit any other day. Sounds of rain just want you to be in your quiet site, enjoying the rain, watching a TV with a popcorn or listening to some good music or getting relaxed. Just tell me down in the comment section what are the most precious memories while growing up during the rain. And in your present location or as an adult, tell me what are those special moments you love during the rains. What does this video bring back to you? And just tell me down in the comment section. So if you're liking this video, just give it a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button, like and share if possible. I will just let you enjoy this awesome sound.